And now shifting our focus to the mother of all deals. India and European Union is all set to sign the mother of all deals, which will be a boost to Indian exporters, and it will give a huge market access to the European Union as well. The trade agreement will cover goods, services and other aspects of engagement, and the deal is set to be announced by leaders from the two sides shortly. The agreement may, however, take a few months to be ratified and is likely to be implemented in the early 2027. Over the next 2 weeks, the negotiators will be having a viable document that will be vetted in the next 6 months before it is ratified and signed. The agreement will then be ratified by the European Parliament, but officials explain that it will not have to be approved by each member state of the 27-nation bloc, since it does not contain quote-unquote mixed competence. India is expected to get zero duty access to several key products segments such as textiles, leather and marine products in return for concessions in sectors such as automobiles and wines. Well, a major deal coming forward between India and EU, where the focus is on energy, big boost for the Indian exporters, and a big market access for the European Unions. Automobiles is going to be one of the sector that is going to take a huge benefit for the European nations. European cars and wines are going to be cheaper in Indian market. Tariff cuts to reduce trade between the two nations. What we gain from this deal is that it covers 2 billion people, accounts for 25% of the global GDP, one of the India's most comprehensive FTAs ever. India stands to gain better access to IT and services, and a big boost for industries such as textiles, pharmas and engineers. Now, India and the European Union are on the brink of sealing what both sides are calling a historic free trade agreement, and a major concession from New Delhi could be the game changer. According to sources, India is preparing to slash import duties on cars from the European Union to 40%, down from the current levels that go as high as 110%. This would mark the biggest opening of India's tightly protected automobile market. Sources say that the government has agreed to immediately reduce tariffs on a limited numbers of EU-made cars priced above 50,000 euros, with duties set to fall further to just 10% over time. The move is expected to significantly ease access for European automakers like Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Major boost to India's automobile market, European luxury cars to get cheaper, and a big access to the market. India has always protected its automobile market, but looks like the deal, India is all set to ease in the news and allow European automobile sectors to access in India.